Hi guys, in previous video we designed a circuit to power up the Arduino. In this video we are going to interface Arduino with the LCD. For that I took LCD and some other components. Okay, in previous video I told that we are going to use the same board for further projects. So that we are going to add some other components to the same board in further videos. So we have to place every components in a proper way. I took the female buck pin because it will be helpful to replace the LCD if the LCD get damaged. Okay. Now we have to solder the LCD to the Arduino board. Before that I will explain how we are going to solder these wires. Okay, we can go through this circuit. I am going to make the same circuit. I will explain the pinouts in the LCD. The first pin is VSS, that should be connected to the ground, and the next pin is VDD, that's a power supply. The 5 volt is connected to this pin, and the next pin is VEE, that's used to adjust the contrast or visibility of the LCD. I connected it to ground through a 2.7k resistor, and you can use either a trim port, but I used a constant value here. Okay, next is RSS. RSS is a register select. This pin toggles among the command and the data register. It will be selected according to the instruction from the microcontroller. Next is RW. RW is read or write enable pin. This pin toggles among the read and write operation. The next pin is enable. This pin should be held to high to execute a read or write process. Okay, next is D0 to D7. These pins are used to send data to the display, and there are two more pins, that is it's used to turn on the backlight. It's a positive and negative. It should be connected to the 5 volt, and then it's a negative, so it should be connected to the ground. And so as per the diagram you can see that the pins are connected to the Arduino. You can refer this diagram. Okay, now we properly soldered all these pins, and now we have to check the LCD. For that I am going to power up the Arduino board. Okay, the backlight of the LCD is coming. It's properly working. The LCD is not showing any text because the Arduino is blank. We do not upload any program. The Arduino board is blank, so that the display is not showing any text. Now we are moving on to the software side. We are going to write the software to display something in the LCD. Okay, we successfully we compiled the program. There is no error. Now we have to upload this program to the Arduino board. We uploaded this software to the Arduino board, and now we have to power the Arduino. Okay, the display is showing the text that we have written in the software. It's properly working. Okay, thanks for watching.